Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd check out this area over here with the photo frames and their wall decor. So let's start out down here at the bottom, guys. Okay, so they have this one here that says choose joy. Okay, good things are coming. And they have these over here that says a year of first, and then you write down you fill that in, and then here you have your certificate holders along the bottom on this side. So I noticed they brought some of their crafting items over here. So they have this ceramic tag that says add your own message, and then they have this decor piece here with the sloth, and then they have the cat. Then they have these. Look at this. It says nurses, we call the shots. That's so cute. And then it says aunts are special in our hearts. Then they have this random box here for Father's Day. Well, not for Father's Day. It's a briefcase, but you could be used for Father's Day. Then this box here, guys, says dream big, little one. That's so cute. Let's see what the pink thing says. Friends become our chosen family. Aww. Then you have these crosses here that says bless this nest. And I think, what does the black one say? Let go and let God. I like that. So then over here you have this one that says our love story. Isn't that adorable? That makes such a nice gift. Then some more of these tags, ceramic signs. And then this little tray here that says smiles are always in fashion. Good vibes only. And all those tags in the back over there. Then this one says thinking of a master plan. Guys, when I spot something new, I'll let you know what I see. Well, what's new here at this Dollar Tree. Then I think we've seen these. This says love. And I think we've seen these. Don't worry, be happy. Cool and clever. Roar like you mean it. Okay, and then they have this letter board. So these are really nice. And they have it in black and they have it in gray. Okay, and then they have this key plaque here with the hooks. And they have this, have a hippie day. And this one says, wander and more. Okay, then they have these boxes. These are really cute. These have the elephants on it. And they have this design right here. Okay, and then they have this design over here. They have that black one. I like that black one with the zebras. Then they have this kind. Then they brought these mirrors back, guys. Okay, they brought that kind, and they're so much smaller, guys. I'm just like they're so much smaller. Okay, then they have that dream sign. They have that dream big with the rainbow, and this one with the pom-poms. Then they have the free hugs, and all of those are the same. And then back here, my favorite tag, guys. Then this one, celebrate everything. These 4x6s. Okay, so let's start along the top, and then we'll work our way to the pictures, the wall decor. So I'll show you if there's anything different. This one here has a wood grain. They have some magnets hanging here. Bless all the dinner makers. I like that one. A farmhouse. Mutts about you. Okay, so then they have that. They have this gold one, this white one. Okay, these are not new. These, it looks like they're bringing those back here. And then they have these. These are very popular, this wood grain one. And they have these with the clip that says barbecue boss. That's cute. And then they have these. See, and they're bringing these back, guys. So I'm really liking this one. Isn't that pretty, guys? So those seem to be the same. These are little albums. And then these silver ones here. And they have your peach wall decor there as picture frames. Let's see what they have as far as pictures. Isn't that pretty, guys? That one is pretty. Let's see what else they have. They have this one. I don't know if you could see with the glare, guys. Then they have these certificate holders mixed in there. Let me just move that up here. Oh, wait a minute. They have, well, you know what? It looks like they mixed everywhere. So they have this one. This is really pretty. And this one says, always be nice to the chef. Then they have this kind. Then they have this kind. I like this one. Mix it up. Then they have this kind here. I think these are so beautiful, guys. I love those. You make me smile. Then they have that one. Okay. Life's at ease with an ocean breeze. Love you to the beach and back. Oops, this one is broken. I'll move that aside here. I cook, therefore you clean. Okay, so I was looking more and see like the canvas decor. So let me see if I can find some of those, guys. I'm absolutely loving the canvas decors. But this one here is very beautiful. Let's see. So they have this cactus one right here. That's pretty. Then they have, let me see if I can move some of this. Then they have this one, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. And I think I saw this one the last time, and I think that is a gorgeous picture. Guys, can you see that? Then they have this one with the rooster. This is kind of cute. Wash, open 24 hours laundry. Then they have that one. It's always time for coffee. Let's see. This one is really pretty too. Let's see. Look at that one. Very pretty, guys. So let's see. They have that one back there. So it doesn't look like they brought in anything new as far as decor, guys. And they have your certificate holders. Okay. They have a couple more wall decor down here. Let me see. Blessed and thankful. And they have, that's a regular picture frame. You make me smile. This one says, gone to the beach, be back never. Wow. Okay, and then this has a scripture on it. It says, be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. Psalm 31:24. Your attitude determines your direction. Then they have that one. That's really pretty, that one. So I think this is it with wall decor, except for this part here. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. This one says friends. This one says, what does that say? Don't go bake in my heart. Okay, that cupcake, always kiss me goodnight. So, it looks like we're done. They have some photo mats over here, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their frames, their home decor. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.